Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to automate actions based on business hours in BoldDesk Chat Workflows. Integrating business hours allows you to automate actions based on the current date and time, ensuring timely customer interactions. With this feature, you can tailor your workflow to handle after-hours queries, holiday messages, and agent assignments more efficiently. First, I need to configure business hours for chat. I log into the BoldDesk Agent portal as an administrator and navigate to the Admin Center. Then go to the Chat module, open the work schedules, and select Business Hours. I have already set up my desired business hours. Check out the video linked in the card above or the description below to set up your own. Next, I open the Chat Automation section and select Workflows to open a list of workflow trigger options. The workflow triggers that support business hour conditions are Conversation created, Conversation field updated, Conversation status changed, and Conversation assignee updated. For this example, I select the Conversation created type of workflow. For instructions on creating a workflow, refer to the video linked in the card. On the Workflow Designer page, I select the initial block and click the Add icon to open the context menu. I choose Branching and select Branch via Conditions to open a panel from the right side of the screen. To set up the condition, I click Add New Branch, enter a condition name, and select Created as the condition. Next, I set the operator to business hours, choose the appropriate schedule, and click Add to save the block. To configure a path that will be triggered during business hours, I click the Add icon next to the Business Hours option. I choose User Inputs and use the Get Customer Details block to collect customer information. Note that if the customer's email address is already in the conversation, this block will be skipped automatically to avoid duplication. Next, I send the confirmation message by adding another block below using the Send Message action. Then enter the confirmation message and click Add to save it. To automatically assign the chat to the right agent or group, I set the action to trigger auto assignment and end the path with an exit block. For this path, I add a Send Message block to show an offline message during non-business hours. You can add other blocks if needed, and then end the path with an exit block. After publishing and activating this workflow, when a customer initiates a conversation during business hours, the workflow asks for their contact details and assigns the chat to the selected agent or group. Outside business hours, it sends an offline message asking the customer to reach out later. If you found this video useful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos. Thanks for watching.